Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Baxi Duo-tec Combi 33HE. Now in this particular error code you can see we've got E28 flashing. So if you've got this code flashing, that means you've got a problem with the main heat exchanger flue thermistor has failed. So in this case you're going to have to call out a competent, confident, gas safe engineer to resolve the problem, and there's nothing you can do. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you. However, if this video didn't resolve your problem, we can help. Because we can give you assurance and reliability when it comes to expertise in boiler repair and customer service. Because that's what A&R means. We're big enough to deliver and small enough to care. Take a look at our Google reviews and see what our customers say about our service. So, A&R boilers are here for you. Just simply visit our website at www.boilerrepair.net.